President of Roadsides Vendor Welfare Association, Kwaramban Kaitel, Kedri Dama, has urged the government to protect the rights of street vendors and regulate street vending by implementing Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014, I beg your pardon, soon. She was speaking at the 27th Foundation Day of Roadsides Vendor Welfare Association, Kwaramban Kaitel, which was held at Ruk Mahal Theatre located at BT Road today. Speaking further, Kedri Dama lamented that the state government has not implemented the act till today, although a memorandum was submitted to the same in this connection. Meanwhile, speaking in the program, Amuko President Pairoijam Nandoluang praised the vital role played by Manipuri women vendors in society for centuries. He emphasized that these women, particularly those at Kwaramban Kaitel and other markets, deserve high recognition for their significant contributions to the state's economy and social causes. National Hawkers Federation General Secretary Saktiman Ghosh and Mark Pal President Wainam Bilashni also attended the function.
Nepila la sibu matam dugi thabai dangang tobi ina kunbi myam song gi bla kathen bazar gi kathen ka phambi kai gi myam se chungai na tro karamba ina kara kunbi karamba manipur gi itihas ki tangkakta karamba afaba tangkak para ibi aba chita ba tangkak gau ge ima ibin myam lori myam aduna khoi gi khara laira ba si leina na ti pap na ti sap ama thung na ti punsi gi struggle lam da punsi gi lam thing ama da ai saruk ama ai tangkak ama da ai lo da ba ya da ba ai to da ba thong da ama ne ba Tan bagi sang kaya mengke kaya koi nah meyam yen bok sih masa tan kere, tan lagi bengah sih masa tan koi tham lak kere, thabak sujari bak koi mose masih koi wak culture le kadam ne koi punai, koi suba nomba koi sana, hingga demi koi depend tak kodong nanti habis, adu koi di yong jari bermanak meyam, macet meyam se, koi ni ngai hai bagi wak kalau dah madu thawna adu ma, ai street vendor ki mai beli selesi sing lebiu.
Lady ba street vendor sing sih dah magi constitution ne pi bai koi right to live se. Aduga street vendors ki ekta yaujari ba magi protection amadi magi livelihood siguma mayam sing se koi mafam amadi matam chana koi lenga ka sina koi athu matam da yengsin bibaga loinana koi pihaning bagi apam badong asi foundation des ta lak da pihan janingi loinana hanta ki lan amadi corona gi matam chidagi koi street vendor gi sigumba leiriba mafam sing aduga market sing sigi magi business ki structure che yamna down chatlak padona koi tawrak pase basi yam sathina अखोई द नुंगाई तब म पोए मदुना लेंगाक ना अखोई तोंगान तोंगान बा चिंग मदि तम अनि ज चटना ब याद्रि ब खोत्रि ब कैदौ दिबा मयाम से मसी अथुब मतम द लेंगाक ना चटप याहंदना अखोई यामना मतम मगी नॉर्मल गी अदुगुम पुंसी महिंग अदो मदुदा लेबा फंगन बियु आइ वफम से आई थम सके